This is regarding the iRig original and how do you install Amplitude. Amplitude is the app that works with iRig in order for you to play your guitar. I have my guitar plugged in on that side, but how do you install Amplitude? Okay, so it's pretty straightforward. It's just like any app. So you're going to go on your iPhone and you're going to go to the App Store. Okay, so right there. Okay, when you're in the App Store, now we're going to go to the search bar and you're just simply going to type in Amplitude. So I already have it, so just go there. Okay, and then we can see that it's giving us this suggestion. So what we want, we just want the regular Amplitude. All right, so here we go. So the one that I use is the free version, so it's this one here. I already have it installed, but there it is, Amplitude CS, and it's gonna, if you haven't installed it yet, it's gonna say download, and you're just gonna install it like any other app onto your iPhone, and you open it up, and then you'll be able to plug in your iRig and start playing guitar right away. So there you go. That's how you do that. It's just a simple thing to do. It's a regular app, and no fancy drivers or anything is needed, and you'll be ready to start jamming right along with some effects from Amplitude.